You ever wonder why so many people making the big bucks still end up living paycheck to paycheck? Maybe you even thought, if I made that kind of money, I'd never worry about money again. I mean, seriously, what's their problem? They're making 6, maybe 7 figures, and somehow they're still struggling, running out of money, filing for bankruptcy? That would never happen to you, right? Well, you might want to rethink that, because it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. And if you're making any of these 3 critical mistakes, you could be setting yourself up for the same trap. Here's the truth. Earning 6 or 7 figures doesn't automatically mean financial security. Where so many people go wrong is at the moment the money starts rolling in, they think they've made it. So they start upgrading everything, a bigger house, a luxury car, fancier vacations, because, well, they can finally afford it, right? That's where the first mistake happens, lifestyle inflation. Now stay with me here because I want to make one thing clear. There's nothing wrong with upgrading our lifestyle. In fact, that's part of the goal, to build the life you truly want. But the key is knowing how to do it without sabotaging your financial future. Hey everyone, I'm Rose Colburn, and I'm here to help you take control of your personal finances so you can create lasting wealth and financial freedom. This video is all about helping you make smart money decisions so that when your income increases, your financial security increases too. Because the goal isn't just to earn more, it's to build a life where money works for you, not the other way around. And be sure to stick around for the ending because you don't want to miss the one financial strategy that separates those who stay wealthy from those who just look rich. So real quick, who exactly is a high income earner? Well, depending on the source, a high income earner is someone making 6 figures or more, so over 100K a year. And different sources define it differently, but here's a quick breakdown. The top 10% earn over 160K, the top 5 over 400K, and the top 1%, some sources say it starts at 540, or others put it at over 800K. So for comparison, the median income in the US is somewhere between $65,000 and $86,000. So the middle of that is around $75,000, roughly $1,500 a week. So with that in mind, let's jump into the first mistake, which is lifestyle inflation. Here's the deal. You work hard, you earn money, and you want to enjoy life. Well, things aren't much different in that aspect for the high income earners. And that's totally fine. But here's where so many high income earners get it wrong. As their income increases, they start increasing their spending just as fast or even faster than their income is growing. That's lifestyle inflation. Instead of using that extra income to build financial security, they start upgrading everything. Maybe they buy a nicer home, a newer car, put their kids into private or exclusive schools, splurge on expensive restaurants. At first it feels great. They finally reached a level of success where money isn't a constant source of stress. They're not worried about next month's bills. Until one day, they wake up and realize payday's still 3 days away and the electric bill is due tomorrow. They're back to living paycheck to paycheck. More income doesn't mean more wealth. More income with more spending, that just keeps you stuck in the same money cycle, just with fancier stuff, more hassles. So here's the problem. Lifestyle inflation locks you into higher expenses, bigger mortgages, pricier insurance, and higher maintenance costs. That means if your income drops, your expenses don't. And that's exactly how high income earners end up broke. So how do you earn more, enjoy your success, and still build wealth without falling into the same paycheck to paycheck cycle all over again? Never upgrade your lifestyle. Always live like you're making $75,000. Wrong. The real secret is to upgrade your lifestyle strategically. And that starts with having a financial plan. When you plan your upgrades ahead of time, you control how much of your income goes toward building wealth versus lifestyle upgrades. That means deciding in advance How much of your future income will be used to enhance your lifestyle and how much will be put toward growing your wealth? Instead of letting extra income automatically disappear into lifestyle costs, you create a wealth building system through your financial plan that allows you to enjoy life while securing your future. But lifestyle inflation is just one piece of the puzzle. A lot of high income earners, they look rich, but behind the scenes, it's a different story. And that brings us to mistake number 2, which is the illusion of wealth. Earning more income, buying more stuff, upgrading your lifestyle makes you look rich to people on the outside. It might even make you feel rich at first, but the truth is it doesn't necessarily mean you are rich. Too many high-income earners fall into the illusion of wealth trap, believing that as long as the money keeps coming in, they're financially secure. And here's the reality. Wealth isn't measured by income. It's measured by your ability to create a life that's truly fulfilling. Okay, sure, having nice stuff might be part of that dream, but the stress of burning through every paycheck, that's definitely not part of the dream. Now, if we're strictly talking about money, then wealth is measured by assets, your savings, investments, and income-generating resources. But holistic financial freedom goes beyond that. It's not just about money. It's about designing a life that aligns with your values, your priorities, and your long-term vision. And that's where so many high-income earners go wrong. They prioritize lifestyle over long-term wealth. They spend every dollar of their paycheck on luxury items, thinking it's a sign of success. They neglect savings and investments, assuming their income will always be there. They focus on looking rich instead of building financial freedom. But real wealth, it's not just about what you earn. It's about what you keep and how you use it to create the life you truly want. So how do you fix it? Well, you shift your focus from just earning more to actually creating wealth. Before making big purchases, ask yourself, is this bringing me closer to financial freedom, to the life that I want to live, or is it just making me look rich or successful to other people? Instead of spending first and trying to figure out how to build wealth with whatever's left, flip it. Pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of your income for wealth building and keeping your dream lifestyle before buying more stuff to keep up appearances. Because real wealth isn't about what you own. It's about having the freedom to live life on your terms. Lifestyle inflation and the illusion of wealth both quietly drain the bank accounts of even the highest earners. But there's one more mistake that can sabotage financial freedom faster than anything else, and that's failing to prepare for financial uncertainty. One of the biggest reasons high-income earners end up broke is the assumption that their income will always stay the same or even continue to grow. It's easy to think, I'm making 6 figures now, I'll be making even more in a few years. And sure, that might be true until it's not. Industries shift, businesses downsize, economies crash. Even high-paying jobs aren't guaranteed. And if you've built a lifestyle based on always earning at your peak, what happens when that peak disappears? This overconfidence leads to spending decisions that assume tomorrow's paycheck will always be bigger than today's. And instead of preparing for uncertainty, many high-income earners lock themselves into massive financial commitments, huge mortgages, luxury car payments, private school tuition, all under the assumption that money will always be there. But here's the reality. True financial freedom, true financial security doesn't come from how much you make, but from how well you prepare for the unexpected. Instead of relying on future income, build a financial foundation that protects you no matter what happens. That's why fixing the first mistake we covered is so important. Having a solid financial plan. Your financial plan ensures that you're not depending on future income alone. It creates stability. So no matter what happens, you're not caught off guard. I'll give you a few key things that should be part of your financial plan. And honestly, this is not a comprehensive list, but it's a place to get started. So define how much of your income actually goes towards living expenses so you don't spend as much as you make. Plan for how you'll handle emergencies, whether that's through an emergency fund or another easily accessible asset. This isn't just about job loss, but any unexpected financial challenge that could arise. Now, there's one more financial strategy that should be part of your financial plan that truly separates those who stay wealthy from those who just look rich. And that's multiple streams of income. High income earners who rely on just one paycheck, no matter how much that paycheck is, are always at risk. But those who build additional income sources, whether that's through investments, passive income, or businesses, they create financial security because when money is looping through your money cycle from different sources, you're never just one paycheck away from losing it all. And that's how the wealthy stay wealthy. And if you want to create real financial freedom, it's not just about earning more. It's about making money work for you. And if you're making any of these financial mistakes, it won't matter how much you earn. You could still end up broke. But here's the good news. Creating financial freedom isn't as complicated as you might think. So watch this next video and learn 3 simple steps that anyone can take at any income level to start building lasting wealth and creating financial freedom to live the life you've always wanted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.